I think the ultimate goal of diversity is really to broaden our perspective, to get different ideas, different thoughts, different approaches. And it's not just the women that I was able to work for, because my first manager in HP was a woman, and I got a great view of different ways of thinking. And I think women in key leadership roles really does help the organization grow faster and come up with better solutions. So I think women at HP have a lot of difficult choices in balancing work and their family life. But in the end, when you look at the key leaders of HP, like Ann Livermore or some others that we know, Jennifer Millier, I think because they have those more difficult balance choices between life and home, it allows them to make better business decisions when they have to balance those business decisions at work.
I have never had any issues at HP in terms of thinking of myself as a woman or thinking of myself as not having equal opportunities. I think the opportunities exist for any individual who wants to do something at HP. We have only 24 hours in a day. You have to balance your life. You have to know what you will never compromise on. Personally, I would never compromise on times. I've never missed a PTA in my son's school. I have always participated in things, but realize that there is a cost for what you're trying to do. And if you have the energy and the passion for going after what you want, there's nothing that can stop you from getting there.
Intellect. We all need intellectual strength in terms of our ability to succeed. And the goddess of intellect is Saraswati. We need to prosper. The goddess of prosperity is Lakshmi. We all crave for power, and the goddess of power is Parvati. If that has been our belief, how can it be any different when we start to come to an organization like HP and start to perform our duties in an HP environment?
HP is one place which empowers you to put your dreams into reality. I believe HP is successful today because of its values. I'm sure women at HP are definitely proud and happy to work here as I am.
It is important to have women in the organization because they really bring a different view. My boss is a woman. She's based in Singapore. It's very motivational and inspiring, to be honest, to work with her. The fact that Neelam is our managing director in HP India should be an example and a role model for many of the women in our organization at the moment. So diversity is important because it brings different perspectives. And it sort of fits to HP because we are known and we have a long history of our value system.
It is not just about women, it is about diversity of ideas and bringing different points of view on the table. That is why at HP, innovation is our bloodline. HP's sponsorship of diversity is what has personally nurtured me to discover my strengths and given me tremendous opportunities to learn and grow. HP women are emerging as the strong leaders of today, and together we can make a difference.
In HP, we have formal and informal programs where we are encouraging participation of the women in various organizational activities. And if you look at women bring very unique skills. They bring in emotional intelligence, empathy, and a skill which is unique to them in managing conflicts.
Percentage of women employees joining HP and number of women employees being in the executive council, all these are numbers. I don't really think it's an advantage that women are getting because I really think HP is doing it on basis of merit. So if you show them that you've got the potential, you can be a winner here. I really believe that diversity and inclusion it's actually woven into the fabric of HP.
So when HP as a leader, includes everybody irrespective of caste, creed, race, religion or gender to be part of projects that ensure HP does successfully across the world.
Basically, women bring a whole lot of new perspective, whole lot of new ideas to the table for all your day-to-day decision making. I do not want a place where I need to have some special benefits or to be taken care of in a unique way. All that we women ask for is to be treated equally, no more and no less, and that is HP for you.
In terms of diversity, one thing which always strikes me is what Margaret Thatcher said once, that if you need to get anything done, then you'd have to ask a woman about it. I genuinely feel that is very much 100% true. Whether it's at home or it's in office, I always feel that in terms of execution, women are 100% right.
My experience as a woman, as an employee, as a professional has been rather fantastic.
Out here at HP, it's again another small globe. We have the entire world under one single roof. That's HP.
Several years back, I had an opportunity when the organization asked me to go and build up the center at Chennai. Right? When I initially started off my center in Chennai, my cabinet actually had more women managers than men managers. Right? I think it was a couple of years where I learned a lot how to work with different people. Right?
I really want to thank all the women folks who have worked with me, who are working with HP. A great deal of commitment, dedication, and personally I have learnt a lot from working with women. To name a few is like multitasking. The way these guys multitask with at home, at office, in the office, various aspects of projects and everything.
HP are self-driven. We are decision makers.
Caring and confident.
We are fantastic, superb and awesome.
Self-motivated.
Lucky and very happy.
Intelligent, beautiful.
Inspiring, delightful.
Very talented. They are very supportive.
She's a pillar of strength, both not only in her personal life but also in her professional life.
Each lady employee teaches one or the other best way to perform.
Very professional. They are focused and they know how to balance life and work.
ನನಗೇನು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಾತಾವರಣ HP ಯ ಒಂದು ವಾತಾವರಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮಹಿಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಅಂತರ್ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊರಗೆಡುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಸಫಲರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಶಕ್ತಿಶಾಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೂಪಿಸುವಲ್ಲಿ HP ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರೋಲ್. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಈ 7 ವರ್ಷದ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್.
HP women are super women according to me. They are super moms, super bosses, super colleagues, and they just rock.
Women at HP rock. They are absolutely daring, intelligent, and they can do anything that they want to do.
Women at HP are born leaders.
All we women at HP really rock and we're the best.
Women at HP are all stars.
Dynamic and dynamites.
And they are really fighters, I would say.
We are very proactive.
No words to describe them. They're I'm totally speechless. We rock all the time. Anytime.
Full of values and they make things happen.
Empowered, unique, and great in their own roles.
I must say, women at HP are unique and special in their own way.
Women at HP rock!
I see the women here are highly focused, motivated, strongly goal-driven.